So today I'll be teaching you guys how to withdraw your money direct into your local bank accounts. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, an opportunity is out for everyone to be able to withdraw his or her money into his or her local bank account from your PayPal. Okay, so before it used to be that there's no way for Nigerians to withdraw money into their local bank accounts. So the latest thing they do with it is to buy things online with it. You understand? But now I'll show you guys the trick of doing that. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when I release the next awesome videos. I always teach people how to make money online, and I also teach them helpful skills that are very beneficial. All of them still boils out to making money online. So please let me give you 3 seconds to subscribe right now. Okay, now hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's go straight for today's business. So I'll log in now. The network is a bit slow. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Alright, as you can see, this is how much I have in my account, $82. You can see how much I have withdrawn in the past few days. Okay, so let me show you some more. Okay, so you can see this is how much I've withdrawn from my PayPal into my bank account. As you can see clearly, this is $25 I withdrew. Don't be confused. Withdraw in PayPal and withdraw to credit card is still the same thing. Okay, withdraw to PayPal and withdraw to credit card is still the same thing. All of them still boils out to withdrawing into my bank. So let's get started. Click on withdraw fund. The card I want to use, how much I want. Okay, so this is how much I want to withdraw. I'll click on transfer. See, success, $25 has been sent. Now let me show you the approval of it. Okay, now you can see this is the money I just withdrew right now. Alright, you can see clearly $25. Okay, so the network is still slow. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how I do withdraw my funds. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create an international PayPal account, because that's the only PayPal account that will be able to enable you withdraw into your local bank account. If you have a Nigerian PayPal account, the dashboard would not be like this. You won't even see withdraw funds. Okay, but if you have an international PayPal account, that's where you see withdraw funds. So if you want to learn, just like and comment below and I'll make the video. Thanks.